What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you guys about a little hack on how you could save up to $35 on your next gas fill up. That's our topic of today. Let's jump right into it. What's up guys? So I want to tell you about how I was able to save $30 off my previous fill up at the gas station. What I'm talking about is it's Kroger reward points. So I don't know if you guys live in a state where there is a Kroger available, but if you do, you guys need to make sure that you sign up for the Kroger rewards points system that they have. Various times of the year, Kroger will offer up to 4 times the points on any gift cards that you purchase in the store. How this benefits you is for every 100 points you receive, you can get 10 cents off per gallon. If you do the math, if you're able to obtain 1,000 points during 1 month, you can get up to $1 off per gallon of your gas. And what I mentioned earlier is how you can save up to $35 because that is the maximum on what you could save. You can only receive the discount on up to 35 gallons of gas. So this right here, this shows the last time I went to the gas station, I was able to fill up my truck, which my truck takes about 30 gallons, and I was able to get $1 off per gallon. That was a savings of $30. Okay? Now, how you can receive these reward points, you can go to the store when they have the 4 times the points. So basically, whatever you spend on your gift card purchases, you'll receive 4 times the amount of points. So let's say, for example, you spend $100 on an Amazon gift card, you're going to receive 4 times the amount of $100, which equals 400 reward points. And 400 reward points is basically 40 cents off per gallon. Now, these rewards can only be used one time, but Kroger offers this deal various times of the year. That's usually when I will go to Kroger and I will purchase an abundance of gift cards, such as these gift cards right here. And usually the way I like to do it is I like to purchase gift cards on places that I eat on a regular basis, such as Chick-fil-A, Domino's Pizza, Chipotle, and then some department stores such as Nordstrom's, as well as Amazon is on that list. So if you guys are big avid spenders at Amazon, you guys could really rack up on the points for gas fuel when they offer this deal. Another thing is, let's say you guys like to travel. Kroger also offers like Southwest gift cards or American Airlines gift cards. And let's say you have a child or you play on the PlayStation, they also offer these PlayStation gift cards as well. So you can really rack up on things that you're already purchasing, but you receive the additional benefit of saving money off the next time you fill up. You guys can do the research on how you feel about the Kroger gas, as well as if there is a Kroger available in your area, so you can take advantage of this deal. As an additional bonus that you can receive, if you purchase these gift cards using your credit card, you will also receive points on your credit card that you use. For me, myself, I use my Chase Reserve Rewards card, in which I receive 3 times the points or 2 times the points at grocery stores. So I'm receiving additional bonus points by using my credit card. Now, if you don't like using your credit card, what you could do is you could sign up for the Cash app, and you can use their credit card, in which you will receive 10% off of every purchase that you make at Kroger. So that could be an additional, I believe the maximum limit is up to $75. So you can receive $7.50 off every purchase that you make at Kroger if you use the Cash app. Now I'm going to be linking a link down below to the Cash app in case you guys want to sign up, and you can receive this additional benefit on top of what Kroger is already offering you by purchasing gift cards from the store. All right, guys, If you have any questions, be sure to drop the question down below in the comments. If you have not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, as it does help me with the growth of this channel. If you found this content valuable, please hit the like button, as it shows that this type of content is really valued and you want to see more of it. Don't forget to look up to see if you guys live in an area where there is a Kroger store available, so you can take advantage of this opportunity and start saving money today on each one of your gas fill-ups by purchasing gift cards to stores that you already shop at on a daily basis. If you're about to get ready to order something online, drive up to the nearest Kroger store, pick up you a gift card so you can get those points, and then come back home and make your purchase on the website using your gift card. This is how you save money, guys. Again, Budget Bill bringing you more savings. I appreciate you guys staying and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.